shift our attention now to more breaking updates now coming in. Sources within the Indian government have hit back strongly at the comments that were made by the Pakistan Defence Minister Khwaja Asif against Prime Minister Modi. The Indian government sources say that Khwaja Asif is mentally unstable is a known fact. That he could be entrusted with his current responsibility says much about today's Pakistan than anything else. And clearly he has no day job and passes the time by making silly comments. My colleague Akanksha Swarup joins us on the broadcast with the details. And Akanksha, these comments were made by the Pakistan Defence Minister, but Indian government sources clearly seem to be dismissing it as nothing but silly comments.
Right, Pratibha. In fact, the Indian government has gone on to say that envy is always a bad motivation, particularly so from someone steeped in hate speech. And remember, Khwaja Asif is somebody who's known to bring egg in the face of the Pakistani government because he's been a loose cannon. But more importantly, he has described this as award as an engineered one. But what's even more shocking is the fact that he's in fact also mocked the award. This despite, in fact, a statement coming in from the office of the president of Seychelles, in fact, going on to clearly put this out on record that this was an award to not just honor Prime Minister Modi for his efforts in environmental conservation, but sustainable development when it comes to the oceans and protecting of the oceans and the blue economy. The Seychelles government had categorically rejected suggestions that the award was fabricated or created for Prime Minister Modi's visit. In that statement, the office of the president of Seychelles had clarified that the order of the Guardian of the Blue Horizon was established under the country's National Honours Act and had been formally approved before Prime Minister Modi arrived in Seychelles. So the honour, it said, recognizes exceptional contributions to the sustainable use and protection of the oceans and the blue economy. It also says that that document, of course, Khwaja Asif, as we all know, was referring to that typographical citation, which the office of the president of Seychelles has already clarified that the document that was circulating online was an internal working draft. It had inadvertently been leaked and had stressed that the official approved citation was the one that was presented during the investiture ceremony to Prime Minister Modi. So for Khwaja Asif to, in fact, now being jumping the gun, it only shows that it is indeed a case of sour grapes. And as the Indian government has clearly called out this statement as coming from someone who's mentally unstable, is unaware of the fact, and that he has no day job and is passing the time by making silly comments on matters of which he has little knowledge. And it certainly hasn't gone down well with the Indian government, but it's also a statement which is not new to the Defence Minister of Pakistan.
Okay, all right. So a response befitting the statement that was made by Pakistan, what the Pakistan Defence Minister deserves. Envy is always a bad motivation, particularly so from someone steeped in hate speech. That's the response. Akanksha, thank you for joining us with all those details.